tapat sa mga pangako. Isikip ko rin yung pagkaw. Sadyang pag-ibig natin ay nakakapang.
Welcome to sa Lalaw.
Hello guys! Welcome to my guys!
Ay, nako.
Hello guys! Welcome to my guys!
Guys. Puro guys.
Hello guys! Hello! Good evening guys! Welcome to my...
Ikaw na yung tita.
Thank you! Ano ba ito sayaw na? Hello Simon! Where are you from, Simon? Where are you from? You over 21 years, over 30 and over 40. Over 40. Dark lies. I'm over 40. Damn, you good looking. Happy son. Oh my god, thank you. Are you sure? Are you sure? Sure with that? Are you Thank you so much. No. Hi, Owa. Owa ba? Owa ba? Owa ba? Owa bi? Owa ba ba bi? Sararang, sararang. Thank you so much. Hope you likes. No one typing. What that doing? Sir Fred! What's up, friends? What's up, friends? Thank you. Thank you, 11 people. What's up? Hey, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Fred. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the liking. Thank you. One. Thank you so much. 5 weeks here. 5 weeks. 5 weeks. Five weeks more. Can we see you painted? Huh? Thank you sa likes. Thank you 16 people. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. No, can see her painted. What is painted? What is that, sir Fred? Thank you, 30 million. $13 million in the house. In other words, no clothes, just paint your. Oh my god. No one can see me like that. Only Mike. Mike. Mike can, yes. Only Mike can. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Tell me people. And soon, yes, very soon. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you so much. And soon, hi Jai 417. Hello. Napok ako. So you want to Doritos today? What Doritos? What Doritos, sir, Fred? What is that? Aray ko, till headache. I meant Sorsogon. Ah, yes! Going to Sorsogon today. Finally!
Gusto mo snappy?
Oh, wow! Thank you, God. May tawag sa din.
Snappy din.
Ibatang kong na sa ako sa rep. Lagi na ako soon. Yes, I'm going today and Sorsogon.
Actually, gaman din mo nakasaksak.
Ah. Oh, dili nakasaksak. Oops. Sorry. Beautiful. The apartment is beautiful. The apartment already have a cooktop. So we only buy the gas tank.
Oh. Ibay.
Nga dito. Dito. Sir Fred, I need to in the live because I need to do something going on my mom. No fridge. We need to provide the fridge. But already have an aircon, so that's it. Okay, no problem. I need to end the live, Sir Fred. Maybe I will dive later. I don't know because I need to do something over there. For my mother. Bye bye. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye bye.